Okay, well, I don't know how I'm gonna expose this, but as you can see, or maybe you can't see, this thing here is what engages when you flip that over there, and it, see, now it locks, and then this over here latches the chisel in place so you can adjust it, and this over here just lets it rotate freely. So you got the hammer, then you got to set your chisel orientation, and then you got the drill. But this thing requires a lot of maintenance. I just took out the for the second or third time. This is it's not on autofocus, but you can see how it clogs the vents, the dirt in there. And what happened here to me here is I just had to drill out the screw head, and now I'm just pulling the head out here like this, which is not uncommon at all. You just pull it out. You just got to get the head out first, and then you just pull it out, and then you just get another screw, or don't, or do something else. There you go. Okay, so I got 3 left. Might want to spray that with something, but it doesn't look too bad. I don't know. Let me see. Can you see this? It's not on autofocus. Let me see here. Take more work than that to deal with it. Okay. This is pretty pathetic. So the Makita grease I apply along the shaft, the shanks of these various tools to keep them from rusting, keep them from damaging the shank in here. Now this just goes here. The air flows through there, and then it blows out through these ducts to cool the motor. And this is the transmission. Now here's the thing, the funny thing about it. This is where you got to put the grease, and it's not this grease, the Makita grease. That's for the shanks. The other grease that you need is high temperature shell grease. Although I suppose you don't need to use that. You know, I could. Oh, I hate editing videos. Anyway, you know, you just take. In the beginning, you just take any kind of thing in there. You don't want to put too much. It's a bit of experience. The problem is, if you don't have enough grease, it won't flow down through the system as you're drilling and chipping, and you want to have some high quality stuff there too, and you also don't want to overpack it. But anyway, enough of that. I mean, look, see, this stuff gets really nasty, and then you just gently make sure the threads are lined up, and then you grab the little tool here. It's not the easiest thing to use, but you can get used to it. You know, you just want to get it tight enough that it stays shut. You're not likely to strip it. Okay, this handle you also have to grease when it gets really bad. And now it's like that. So now you just gotta put the cap back on there, and everything else is just aesthetics, except for this part. This part you do have to keep clean. You know, you want to get in there and, you know, get in there as much as you can. It's a quick release, so, you know, very strong, and that's just an SDS PLUS. It's very strong. It's not just a drill. So that's just taking care of this thing. And if you can't take care of that, I got 3 screws now. Not a big deal, because I didn't strip the plastic. That's the key. Instead, I drilled off the head of the screw with a special drill. You know, living in multiple places and doing jobs at different locations, you have your tools here and there. It can get really annoying if you don't have a secretary to tell you where your inventory is and you're just leaving it up to your mind. It really sucks. What else do I want to cover here, if anything?